whole numbers. Counting number started from 0. Okay? Counting started from 0. Counting started from 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. They are called whole number. Okay? Student, you should mind these two terms. Natural number and whole number. Okay? What is the difference between natural number and whole number? All natural number here in the whole number, in the set of whole number. This is the set of natural number, this is the set of whole number, okay? But whole number started from 0. So, this is whole number, this is the set of whole number, and this is the set of natural number. Understood? Natural number and whole number. Okay? Now, student, can you think we can write all these numbers either negative or positive? You can write 1 or minus 1, 2 or minus 2, 3 or minus 3. Okay? So all whole numbers either in the form of positive or negative, they are called integers. Now, we should write the definition of integer. The set of whole number in negative or positive form is called integer. Easy. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, etc. They are integers. Okay? आप समझिए, जो गिनती की संख्या होती है, जहां से आप गिनती स्टार्ट करते हैं, काउंटिंग स्टार्ट करते हैं, 1, 2, 3, 4, ये होता है नेचुरल नंबर. ठीक है? अब काउंटिंग, जैसे कि आपने सिंबल देखा था न्यूमरेशन में, सिंबल तो 10 सिंबल होता है, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 6 में सीखा था. यू हैव लर्नड इन क्लास 6. अब काउंटिंग नंबर को आप 0 से स्टार्ट करते हैं. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. तो ये होल नंबर का सेट बन जाता है. दिस इज कॉल्ड अ सेट ऑफ होल नंबर. ओके? अब कोई भी नंबर या तो निगेटिव होगा या पॉजिटिव होगा. तो आप निगेटिव या पॉजिटिव किसी भी नंबर को लिखते हैं, एज यू नो 0 इज नाइदर नेगेटिव नॉर पॉजिटिव. ये तो कांस्टेंट है, ये ना निगेटिव है ना पॉजिटिव है. बाकी जितने भी नंबर हैं उसको आप निगेटिव और पॉजिटिव रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं. दे आर कॉल्ड इंटीजर्स. ओके? दे आर कॉल्ड इंटीजर्स. नाउ स्टूडेंट, इफ you can understand the example, what is minus 13? Minus 13 is an integer. What is 70? 70 is an integer. What is 0? 0 is an integer. What is 3? 3 is an integer. Okay? Now understood the integer? Hello student?
Yes, sir.
Understood the integers? You should mind what is natural number, what is whole number, and what is integers. Okay? Second, number line representation of the integer. Integers in the number line. A student, this is a line. Okay? You want to represent the integer in number line. Okay? As you know, 0 is constant. First of all, we should mention here 0. Then this portion, I mean right side of 0, okay, positive integer, and left side of 0, negative integer. Suppose that you want to represent -3, so you will go right or left. First of all, you should mind. पहले आपको समझना है कि कोई भी इंटीजर हमें नंबर लाइन पर रिप्रेजेंट करना है तो हम 0 से राइट जाएंगे या 0 से लेफ्ट जाएंगे. तो आपको ध्यान रखना है, if you have positive integer, you will go right from 0 on the number line. Okay? If you have integer negative, then you will go left side from the 0. Okay? Understood? Suppose that you want to locate -7. So -1,
Yes, sir.
-2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -7. Okay? Check here. -1, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, then -6, then -7. Okay, now you want to locate 3. Then 3 is the positive integer. So we should go in right side from 0. 1, 2, 3. Now you will write here 3. So this is 3. Okay? Okay, understood? Understood by the help of number line? Suppose that your question is, show the integers -1 and 5 in number line. Now, first of all, you will draw a number line. Now, write here 0. Your first integer is -1. So you will go left from 0. This is -1. Now your second integer is 5. Draw the number line. Okay? And your second integer is positive. So you will go in right side from 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? Understood the number line? No problem? Okay. Now, student, by the help of number line, we want to add some integer. Adding the integers by the help of number line. By the help of number line. Take down, adding the integers by the help of number line. Suppose that this is your question, minus 3 and 5. Minus 3 and 5 you want to add by the help of number line. Minus 3 and 5.
Hi, sir.
Take down, adding the integers by the help of number line. Adding the integers by the help of number line. Now we will draw the number line. This is 0. Our first integer is minus 3. 1, minus 1, minus 2, then minus 3. Okay? 0 to minus 3, because your first integer is minus 3. Now you want to add 5. 5 in minus 3. Okay? So from minus 3, we should go how many steps? 5 steps, left or right? Because this second integer is positive, so we should go right from our last point. Okay? From a starting point is 0. And after traveling 3 steps, 1, 2, 3, okay, we are here at minus 3. But from minus 3, we want to go 5 steps from here, right side. Okay? So 1 step, 2 step, 3 step, 4 step, 5 step. Okay? This is 1, this is 2. Because from 0, we are going right side. So in right side, they are positive integer. But how we are going? Because this is the addition of integer by the help of number line. So we will represent, first of all, the first integer. First integer is minus 3, and we are here at 0. So minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Okay? This is our movement, 0 to minus 3. Okay, where we are at minus 3. But from minus 3, we want to go at 5. How we can go? Okay, not flying. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, only 2 steps, right side from 0. So this is 1 and that is 2. From here, now we are at 2. So our result is 2. Okay? Try to understand how we can add the integer by the help of number line. How we can add the integer by the help of number line. That is very simple. नंबर लाइन के हेल्प से आप एडिशन कैसे करेंगे इंटीजर्स का, आपको ये समझना है. नंबर लाइन के हेल्प से इंटीजर्स का एडिशन कैसे करेंगे आपको सीखना है. ठीक है, इसको आपने कंप्लीट कर लिया. यू हैव कंप्लीटेड दिस. वी आर टेकिंग सेकेंड एग्जाम्पल. Example number 2. Add add 5 and minus 5. 5 and minus 5. Now student start. Draw the number line. This is the number line. And we are here at 0. Our first integer is 5. Can you say 5 is positive or negative? 5 is positive here. So first of all, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We are here at 5. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We are here at 5. Okay. Now, your second integer is minus 5. What do you mean by minus? You want to go left from your last point. लास्ट पॉइंट आपका 5 है. एडिशन में आप लास्ट पॉइंट को हमेशा चेक करेंगे. फर्स्ट पॉइंट था 5, जहां से आपने फ्रॉम 0 राइट साइड फिफ्थ स्टेप पर, है ना, फिफ्थ स्टेप पर अभी आप हैं. तो ये आपका अभी स्टेप है, लास्ट स्टेप. यहां से आपको जाना है -5. -5 मीन्स यू वांट टू गो लेफ्ट. लेफ्ट कितने स्टेप? 5 स्टेप. सो फ्रॉम हेयर you should count 5 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, check the counting. We are here at 5, but our second integer is -5. You want to go left from here, but how many steps? 5 steps. So from here, first step, second step, third step, फोर्थ स्टेप, देन फिफ्थ स्टेप. इसका मतलब आप फिर से वहीं आ गए. सो आवर लास्ट पॉइंट इज 0, सो दैट आवर आंसर इज 0. ओके, अंडरस्टूड नाउ how you can add the integers by the help of number line? Or you want to take another example? You can take another
Yes, sir.
example also. Example number 3. Add 2 minus 7 and 5. 2 minus 7 and 5. How many integer you have? 1, 2, 3 integer. And you want to add these integer by the help of number line. You want to add these 3 integers. 1, 2, 3. First integer is 2. Second integer is -7. And third integer is 5. You want to add them. But by the help of number line. So first, draw the number line. Now you are here at 0. Now student, first integer is 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. We are here at 2. Okay, understood? Now our second integer is -7. Meaning of -7 is, now you will start, okay, left or right? Left, because this is
Left.
minus. So left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, count again. Your first integer is 2 from 0. Okay, this is positive. You are going in right direction. So 1 and 2. Okay, 1 and 2. Okay, now you are here at 2. But your second integer is negative, -7. So you want to go 7 step left from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What is this? This is -1, -2, -3, -4, and -5. This integer is -5, but you are coming from 2. How many steps? 7 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Now we are here at -5. Understood? Now student, our third integer is 5. Our third integer is 5. But you are here at -5. Okay. Now you will go from here, right or left. You should decide it. Okay. This is positive. You will go right. your third integer is positive, you will go right. Okay, from here, how many steps? 5 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? So you are at here. Your answer is 0. Very interesting. Very, very interesting addition. Understood? A student
sir.
understood. Or you
Yes,
want
sir.
to take another example also.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Take down these. Now we will start another item. Hello. Third step in today's class, and we are thinking about integer. That is called pattern. Pattern of integer. Pattern of integer. Are you understanding or not? Okay. Pattern, first of all, you should mind the pattern. Series of number. Okay, series of number with some common differences. Okay, series of number with some common differences. Suppose that I am writing 1, 3, first pattern 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Then you can think the next integer. Next one or two integer. Can you think or not? Guess. Number 2, -1, -5, -9, -13. Now, first and second box. Okay, -1, -5, -9, -13. Next, in next integer, you can guess. Then next also. Now, student, third pattern. -15, -10, -5, 0. Then what integer? Okay. Now, student, fourth pattern, 25, 10, -5, -20. Okay. The next integer, what will be there? Now, student, fifth example. 21, 14, 7, 0. Then what? Then what? Okay. Pattern understood the word pattern? You are able to understand the integer or not? So follow these patterns. Yes. Okay, patterns means, okay, arranging the number in a systematic order. I mean, with a common difference is something. They are called number pattern. Suppose that this is the first pattern, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Find the difference, 1 and 3. Difference between 1 and 3 is 2. 1 plus 2 equal to 3. 3 plus 2 equal to 5. 5 plus 2 equal to 7. 7 plus 2 equal to 9. Then 9 plus 2 equal to 11. Then 11 plus 2 equal to 13.
13.
Are you sure?
13.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Now second pattern. Minus 1, minus 5. Mind the difference. Minus 1 and minus 5. Minus 1. Suppose that 1 and 3. Difference between 1 and 3. 3 minus 1 equal to 2. Okay. Similarly, difference between minus 1 and minus 5. Okay. Minus 5 minus minus 5 minus minus 1 minus 5 plus 1 equal to minus 4. Okay. Minus 4 minus 1 plus minus 4 equal to what? Minus 1 plus minus 4 equal to what? Minus 5. Now you can think minus 5 plus minus 4 equal to what? Minus 9.
Minus
Okay, right? Now student, minus 9 plus minus 4 equal to what? Minus 13, right? Now student, minus 13 plus minus 4 equal to minus 17. Okay. So this box will follow minus 17. Now minus 17 plus minus 4 equal to minus 21. So you will write here minus 21. Am I right? Understanding or not?
Yes, sir.
Understood, student? First pattern, second pattern. Now you can think about third pattern. Pattern number 3, minus 15, minus 10, and minus 5, then 0. What is the difference between two consecutive two integers? Okay, minus 15 and minus 10. You can write minus 10 minus then minus 15 if you are writing so, then minus 10 plus 15, then your result will be 5. Then your result will be 5. Do you know or not? Minus 10 minus minus 15. Okay. Minus 10 minus minus plus plus 15. Now minus 10 plus 15 equal to 5 because positive is larger than that of negative. Okay. So difference is 5. Difference is 5. Now minus 10 plus 5 equal to what? Minus 10 and the difference is 5. So plus 5 equal to minus 5. So this digit is minus 5. Now student, minus 5 plus 5 equal to, can you guess? Minus 5 plus 5 equal to 0. So this digit is 0. Now student, 0 plus 5 is, you can say, sir, 5. So this box will take the digit 5. Now student, 5 plus 5. What is 5? 5 is the difference. So 5 plus 5 equal to 10. So this box will take the digit 10. Okay. Try to understand the integer. Now in fourth example, student, 25, 10, minus 5, minus 20, okay? 25 and 10. What is the difference between these two numbers? 25, 25 and 10. It means 10 minus 25. 10 minus 25 equal to what? 10 is positive, 25 is negative. Negative is larger than that of positive. Okay, here number according to integer. Okay, so 10 minus 25 equal to minus what? Minus 15.
15.
Minus 15. Minus 15. Okay, what? Minus 15. 25 and 10. Difference between 10 minus 25, if you are writing so. Okay? Then minus 15 is the difference between these two integers. Now, minus 15, 10 plus minus 15. 10 plus 10 plus minus 15 equal to, this is larger. So minus 15 minus 10 equal to minus 5. Okay. So next digit is minus 5. Now student, minus 5 plus what? Minus 15. Minus 5 plus minus 15 equal to minus 20. So next digit is minus 20. Now student, minus 20 plus what? Difference? Minus 15. Minus 20 and minus 15 equal to, both are negative, add together, minus 35. You will write here, minus 35. Now student, minus 35 plus minus what? 15, because this is the difference. So minus 35 plus minus 15 equal to minus 50. You will write here minus 50. Okay. Now last pattern, 21 and 14. Find the difference, 14 minus 21. Can you guess 14 minus 21? 21 is negative, so you will write here minus 7. 14 minus 21 equal to minus 7. Okay, sure. This is the difference. This is the difference. Now, student, you will add 14 plus minus 7. Difference add. 14 plus minus 7 equal to 7. So, next digit is 7. Now, 7 plus minus 7 equal to, can you guess, 0? Are you sure? Okay, 0. So, next digit is 0. Now, 0 plus minus 7. Okay, are you sure? Minus 7?
0.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Now, student, in last pattern, as you know, 14 minus 21. 14 minus 21, check here. 14 minus 21 equal to minus 7. Now you want to get the next digit. So 14 plus minus 7 adding together equal to 7. So next digit is 7. Now 7 plus minus 7, 7 plus minus 7 equal to 0. You are sure?
Zero.
7 plus minus 7 equal to 0. Okay, so this digit is 0. Now student, 0 plus difference is minus 7. Okay, this is minus 7. Add together and you will get minus 7. So next digit is minus 7. Now last digit is minus 7. You want to find the next digit. Now add the common difference, and common difference is minus 7. So minus 7 plus minus 7 equal to minus 14. You will write here minus 14. Okay.
40.
These are the patterns of the integers. It means you are understanding the addition, finding the difference. You are understanding the addition, finding the difference of the integer. Okay? Understood? Okay? Now
sir.
we will go in the property, and in the property we will try to find out some rules of addition.
Yes, sir.
Number third point, properties. Properties of addition. Properties of addition. A student, first property. First property. Property. Do you know property? Okay, property means
Yes.
major statement. By the help of this statement or formula, you can solve the sum easily. You can understand by the help of trick. Okay, so mention closure property of addition.
Okay.
Closure property of addition. Closure property of addition. Okay, mention closure property of addition.
Addition.
Okay, we are in integer. Think closure property of addition. Okay, closure property of addition. Take down sum of two integers. Sum of two integers is an integer always. Sum of two integers is an integer always. आपको समझना है, आप जितना भी इंटीजर, सारे इंटीजर जानते हैं, किसी भी टू इंटीजर्स का सम करेंगे तो आपका
Yes, sir.
सम इंटीजर ही होगा. You can take the example. Suppose that 3 is an integer and you want to add 7. 7 is also an integer. Now 3 plus 7 equal to 10.
10.
3 plus 7 equal to 10. Okay. Okay, now student, this is addend first, this is addend second, and that is called sum. Okay, this is an integer, that is also an integer. Now, okay, we are finding here sum, and sum is 10, so 10 is also an integer. Second example, minus 1 plus 2. Okay, minus 1 plus 2. What is minus 1? An integer. What is 2? An integer. This is negative, that is positive. Okay, but they are integer.
One.
They are integer. They
Also
are integer.
integer.
Now add them together. Okay, here positive is larger than that of negative. Okay, so 2 minus 1 equal to 1. 1 is the sum. 1 is the sum, and 1 is
Yeah, wow.
also an
And
integer.
my
So this type of property is called closure property of addition. Closure
Yes,
property
sir.
of addition. What? Closure property of addition. What is this? Sum of any two integer is also an integer. Okay, mention. Second property, student. Commutative commutative law of
of
addition.
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 Commutative law of addition. Commutative law of addition. Okay? Commutative law of addition. A student, if we have two integers, if we have two integers P and Q, P and Q,
Yes.
okay, then P plus Q equal to Q plus P. P plus Q equal to Q plus P, or 2, 2 plus minus 3 equal to minus 3 plus 2. Suppose that here P is 2 and Q is minus 3. If P plus Q equal to Q plus P, then 2 plus minus 3 equal to minus 3 plus 2. Okay? This type of property is called commutative law of addition. Commutative law of addition. Okay?
Yes, sir.
अब नहीं आगे. Okay, thank you, student. Save yourself from
Sir.
COVID-19. Try to
Yes, sir.
develop a new ability because this is your first
Yes,
lesson
sir.
in mathematics in class 7. Okay, we have started so
Yes,
far.
sir.
And today we
Yes,
have
sir.
discussed something about integers. Okay, number line representation
Yes,
of
sir.
integers, natural number, whole number. Okay, something addition and
Yes.
law of addition.
Yes.
Only two property discussed
Yes,
so
sir.
far today. Okay, we will meet again. Okay, in the
Yes.
same time, in same
Yes, sir.
class, and try to develop our knowledge in mathematics. Thank you. All the best.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank
Thank
you,
you,
Thank
sir.
you,
sir.
sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.